Hi, today we are going to see one more topic from Oracle, that is union, union all and intersect operator. What is the purpose of this union operator? Union combines the result of two or more queries. That means whenever we issue select statement, and if you want to combine the result of the 2 to 3 select statements, then we can use this union. And union operators surface the duplicates from the entire result set. I will show one example. Here we have got two tables. One is employee and employee retired. In employee, it contains only the active employees, but erroneously some retired employees also available. So the employee and employee retired have some common records. What will happen if we use union? First, I will show what is available in the employee table. Okay. Around 15 records are available in the employee table. I will show what is available in the employee retired. Only 6 rows are available in the employee retired. Okay. Here in employee retired and employee have some common columns. So if you put union, it will suppress the duplicates. You will see how many records we will be getting. There it is. We are getting 16 rows. That means only one record that is uncommon, that is XXX, that is available in the employee retired. Around 5 records that is available in the employee retired, that is erroneously available in the employee active employee table also. So it shows the exact only what are all the records available, and it removes the duplicates. It won't show the entire records. That means it removed the duplicates. If we use union all, just to see what is happening, we put union all, it will show the entire result. That means 24 rows it will show. In employee table around 6. In employee table, how many records? Around 15. But if you put union all, it shows the combination of the results. 21. Okay. So 15 plus 6, 28. It shows the entire records and it never surfaces the duplicates. And one more thing is here, I want to show, that is intersect. Intersect is opposite to union. That means it result set contains only the rows that are common in between the two tables. Okay, that is common in between the two tables. Here in employee retired, around 6 records are available. Out of 6, 5 are available in the employee table. I will show the employee retired. It contains 6 records. Okay. This XXX won't be available in the employee table. If I put intersect, these 5 rows that is available in the employee table will be displayed. That means these are all the 5 records that is available in both employee and employee retired. So if I put intersect, it shows only the common, except that XXX record, everything will be displayed that are in common. Everything in display that are I think I should be mistaken. So common records are displayed. I think it will come around 5 records, because that XXX is not available in the employee table. So this is intersect. Intersect is used to display the common records between the two tables. So we have seen union, union all and intersect. We will see about other operators and other topics in the next session. Thanks. Bye.